In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your form into a clean, ready-to-share PDF document without any confusion. First, you'll want to start inside your Jotform account. Open an existing form that you've already built, or create a brand new one if you're starting from scratch. Before moving on, make sure the form includes every field you want to appear in the PDF. This is important because the PDF will mirror your form's structure. Take a moment to review your questions, confirm that labels are clear and concise, and arrange the fields in the order you want them to display. If you anticipate long answers, consider keeping labels short so the final document looks neat and easy to read. Getting the form right at this stage saves time later. Once your form looks good, it's time to open the PDF tools. While you're in the Form Builder, click the Settings option. From there, select PDF Editor. This is where Jotform transforms your form data into a formatted PDF document. Inside the PDF editor, click Create New PDF. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to begin, and you have two solid options. If you pick Start from Scratch, you'll begin with a blank layout. This gives you maximum control over the design, spacing, and content blocks you want to include. It's a good choice if you want a highly customized document or if you're building a unique layout that doesn't need to match your form exactly. The recommended option is Use Submission Data. This automatically pulls in your form fields and maps them to the answers that come from submissions. It preserves the field order from your form and gives you an instant structured document that usually needs minimal tweaking. Even if you don't have submissions yet, it will still build the layout based on your form, so you can see how everything will look when responses come in. After you make your selection, you'll see your PDF document generated in the editor. Take a quick pass to check spacing, long text responses, and any areas that might need a little more room. Give the document a clear name so you can find it easily later. Jotform saves your work automatically so you won't lose changes. If you have existing entries, you can preview how different submissions populate the document to ensure everything lines up correctly. And that's it. Create or open your form, head into the PDF editor from Settings, create a new PDF, and choose the starting method that fits your needs. You're now ready to generate polished PDFs from your Jotform data.